Chapter 25. Webcam Privacy Concerns. Webcams can pose significant privacy risks, including unauthorized access, data breaches, and exploitation. Protecting your webcam is crucial to safeguard your personal information and prevent potential misuse.
Unauthorized access. 1. Hacking. Webcams can be hacked by cybercriminals, who may record or stream video without your knowledge. 2. Malware. Malware, such as remote access Trojans, rats, can hijack your webcam and exploit its capabilities.
Data breach risks. 1. Sensitive information. Unauthorized webcam access can expose personal moments and confidential information. 2. Surveillance. Hackers may use webcams to monitor your activities, posing significant privacy risks.
Exploitation and blackmail. 1. Recording without consent. Hackers can record video footage and use it for blackmail or extortion. 2. Distribution. Unauthorized recordings may be distributed online, leading to reputational damage or further exploitation.
Lack of awareness. 1. Indicators. Many users are unaware that their webcam is active if the indicator light is disabled or bypassed by hackers. 2. Unsecured devices. Not securing devices properly can lead to easy exploitation by cybercriminals.
Protective measures. 1. Physical protection. Use physical covers, such as webcam sliders or tape, to block the camera lens when not in use. 2. Software and security. Use antivirus, anti-malware and firewalls to detect and prevent threats. 3. Device security. Keep your operating system, webcam software, and drivers up to date to protect against vulnerabilities.
User practices. 1. Monitor indicator lights. Check the webcam indicator light to ensure it's not on when the camera is not in use. 2. Disconnect when not needed. Physically disconnect external webcams when they are not in use.
Network security. 1. Secure Wi-Fi. Use strong, unique passwords for your Wi-Fi network and enable encryption. 2. VPN. Use a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your internet traffic and protect against eavesdropping.
Quiz. 1. What is a primary privacy concern associated with webcams? A. Low video quality. B. Unauthorized access and recording. C. High cost of webcams. D. Limited storage capacity.
2. How can malware affect webcam security? A. It can improve the video resolution. B. It can hijack the webcam for unauthorized use. C. It can speed up the webcam's processing power. D. It can reduce the webcam's physical size.
3. What is a simple physical measure to protect your webcam? A. Use a high-resolution camera. B. Cover the webcam lens when not in use. C. Increase the camera's frame rate. D. Adjust the camera's settings frequently.
4. Which software measure can help protect your webcam from unauthorized access? A. Using a photo editing app. B. Installing and updating antivirus software. C. Playing games online. D. Streaming videos.
5. Why should you keep your operating system and webcam software up to date? A. To increase battery life. B. To protect against known vulnerabilities. C. To access more entertainment options. D. To reduce screen brightness.
6. What should you do if you notice your webcam indicator light is on unexpectedly? A. Ignore it. B. Check for unauthorized access or malware. C. Increase the volume. D. Adjust the focus.
7. What network security measure can help protect your webcam? A. Using a strong, unique password for your Wi-Fi network. B. Reducing the network speed. C. Limiting the number of connected devices. D. Increasing the Wi-Fi signal range.
8. How can a VPN enhance webcam security? A. By speeding up internet connections. B. By encrypting internet traffic and protecting against eavesdropping. C. By increasing the camera's zoom capabilities. D. By enhancing audio quality.
9. What is a benefit of physically disconnecting external webcams when not in use? A. It prevents unauthorized access. B. It improves video resolution. C. It extends the lifespan of the webcam. D. It increases the device's storage capacity.
10. What is an important reason to educate others about webcam security? A. To reduce internet usage. B. To promote widespread safe practices and enhance overall security. C. To limit the number of webcams being used. D. To increase the sales of security software.
Career development programs in cybersecurity. First program is Cyber Sentinel Trailblazer. Duration, 3 months. Second program is Professional Certification Program in IT Governance. Duration, 1 year. Third program is Postgraduate Program in IT Governance and Security Audit. Duration, 2 years. For further information, contact us on 7068710000. Other number is 9878400815.